Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enter safe mode in Windows 11. Alright, first up, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in run. Alright, RUN. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and this one will load. So what we're going to type in here is basically ms config. Once done typing, just go ahead and hit on OK or press enter on your keyboard. Now, once this window pops up, just go ahead and go to these tabs right here and head over to boot. Click on it. Now in here, as you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option called boot options. Now what we're going to do here is just tick on this one right here, which says safe boot. All right. And you have the option minimal or alternate shell and also Active Directory repair and network. All right. If you want to boot with the icons or everything like a normal computer, but without the background, basically a safe mode. All right. Just go ahead and select minimal. If you want to alternate shell, this one will pop up a command prompt. All right. Now these ones right here are Active Directory Repair and Network. This is basically a minimal option, but with extra options for Active Directory Repair and Network. All right. So I'm going to hit on minimal and hit on apply. Once done, I'm going to hit on OK. After that, there'll be a prompt. Just go ahead and click on restart. All right. Click on it and it will just boot to safe mode. All right. As you can see here, the Windows is loading. It's going to need our PIN. I'm going to type it down. And there we have it. As you can see here, we are now running under safe mode. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.